We live in a digital age, powered by electronics and illuminated by lights. But as the digital economy grows, so does the amount of electronics and lighting that could end up in landfills. Between 2009 and 2020, the Waste Electrical and Electronic Equipment Program operated by Ontario Electronic Stewardship recycled millions of electronics discarded by consumers. Still, millions more found their way into landfills here and abroad. That's why the Ontario government designated electronics under Ontario's new Extended or Individual Producer Responsibility Framework to increase recycling, protect the environment, and spur innovation. As of January 1st, 2021, producers of information technology, telecommunications, audiovisual, also known as ITT-AV, became individually accountable and financially responsible under the Electrical and Electronic Equipment Regulation for their products when consumers finish using them. Beginning January 1st, 2023, lighting producers are also responsible under the regulation. Producers of ITT, AV, and lighting equipment supplied into the Ontario market now have mandatory and enforceable obligations, such as establishing collection networks for consumers to easily drop off their used electronics and lighting, and meeting performance requirements for recycling, reuse, or refurbishment. Producers can choose to meet their obligations themselves by working directly with collectors, haulers, processors, or refurbishers, or work with newly established producer responsibility organizations that provide resource recovery services. The Resource Productivity and Recovery Authority is the regulator mandated by the Government of Ontario to enforce the requirements of the new framework and help businesses understand their obligations. Producers, producer responsibility organizations, haulers, processors, and refurbishers of electrical and electronic equipment must register and report on their activities to the authority. Producers will also have to report data on sales, collection sites, and how they're meeting their resource recovery requirements. The new regulatory framework will drive producers to rethink the design of their products to reduce waste and increase reuse and recycling, so valuable resources are integrated back into the supply chain, all part of an effort to further advance Ontario's circular economy. Learn more at rpra.ca.